Hi everyone! Since the last time I made a YouTube captioning tutorial, YouTube has updated its Captions editor. So this is a new tutorial to show how to use the new Captions and Subtitles editing interface. So you want to begin by going to studio.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in as the library. If you are not already assigned as an editor on the library's YouTube page and you need that ability, you can contact Sarah Stevenson, the Virtual Services Coordinator, and she can get you set up. So when you go to studio.youtube.com, you begin on the channel dashboard. You're going to need to go to the left side menu bar and click Content. Scroll through the list of videos to find the one that you want to work on. I'm going to work on this Raise an Anti-Racist recording from a recent program. It brings you to a detail page for that video. This is where you can edit your title, add or edit a description. You can change it from unlisted to public to private. Right now this one is unlisted because the captions aren't ready. This is also where you can add a thumbnail image to show on our YouTube page for that video. And right now we're working on the captions. So you're going to scroll on the left side menu to Subtitles, and it will show you the available captions for that video. So most videos, within a few hours of being uploaded, YouTube will generate an automatic version of captions, and these are done by artificial intelligence, and they're usually pretty good for spoken content, but need a lot of spelling, capitalization corrections, especially for proper nouns like names. In this case, because this was such a long video, we actually used the transcript, the live transcript generated by Zoom when we had the original webinar event, and uploaded that. So that's what we're going to work on right now. But if you're starting from the automatically generated YouTube captions, you would come over here to the right-hand side and click Duplicate and Edit, and that would open it up in the Captions editor. We're going to work on the captions that we uploaded, and you can see that it's in draft mode right now, so it is, this set of captions is not yet visible to viewers from the general public. If it was ready to go and we just needed to make it visible, you would click on Publish. But they need some work, so we're going to click on Edit. This opens the new YouTube Captions editor. It's very similar to the old one. For each line of captions, there is a box, and you can click in the box and make adjustments, make corrections. You can scroll down and check for things like capitalization. The word librarians does not need to be capitalized there, so I'll fix that. And you just go through. If at any point you make a mistake, there's an undo button here. If you need to adjust the timing of a line of captions, you click in the box, make sure your cursor is in the box for the line of captions you want to work on, and then you bring your cursor down here to the timeline, and you can drag the edges of the caption boxes back and forth to change the timing. I'll undo that. And so forth. So you can just scroll through, you can click to play the video in this little preview window, and that'll tell you if the captions are good or not. And as you go through and you make your adjustments, if you need to completely delete a line of captions, you hover your mouse over the box, the text box for it, click the little trash can icon to remove that box of captions. If you need to add a line that's missing, the first thing you need to do is put your, come down here to the timeline and use your mouse to open up a little gap in the captions. And then you can click to insert. But you don't need to do that right now, but that's how you would do it. And if you are done working for now, but still need to come back and keep working later, you would want to click Save Draft before you close this window. That will save your work. When you're completely done and ready to publish these captions, click the Publish button. Until you click Publish, they are not visible to the viewing public. All right, so either Save Draft or Publish. I'm going to close out of this. Yes, save my draft. And then, in this case, when we are done fixing our uploaded captions and have published them, we will also want to delete the automatic captions. We don't want to do that yet because our captions that we're working on are not quite ready. But when it's time, you would click on these three little dots here on the right-hand side, and you can either unpublish captions or you can delete them completely. So that's what we'll do when the time is right. We'll delete the automatic captions in favor of the ones that we've edited. And that, in a nutshell, is how you use the new YouTube Captions Editor.